All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, Merely on Time Watch Reviews. I have an unboxing for you today, first impressions, and of course I would love to hear what your thoughts are on this watch as well. This was sent to me by the Addiesdive Store at a very extremely discounted price, and so that's why you saw the includes paid promotion. I want to thank Cici, the Addiesdive Store owner, for sending this into review. And this is just the unboxing. We'll spec it out. Would love to hear your first impressions. This is a newer one, and on the pictures it looked absolutely fantastic. And so let's get into this. If you can, smash that like button, and if you're new to Merely on Time, we'd love you to subscribe. And so, typical Addiesdive package comes in this Pelican style box. And we'll just crack this open here and see what we got inside. And so, this is the new watch. Okay, so you get your Addiesdive card, which is unsigned, Addiesdive booklet, push pin removal tool to size the bracelet, so we know that the bracelet does not have screw pins, but push pins. And yeah, here is the watch, and there's going to be some plastic on it, which I will take off in just a moment. But look at this beautiful gradient blue dial and a nice Jubilee bracelet. So with the magic of editing, I'm going to take the plastic off and spec this out for you, and then we'll get in a little bit closer, and I'll give you my first impressions of this one. All right, and that took a ridiculous amount of time for me to get the plastic off of this watch, but here it is. Now, before we get any further, I want to take you to the website to show you what you can get this one for. This one is coming in at just over $100 US. I think this is a very, very good price. You can get it in purple, you can get it in this deep blue, and that's the one that we have on hand, or you can get it in the light blue. So let's spec this one out with Super Cali here so that you know what you are getting. It is a 38.5 millimeter case with a thickness of 13.5. You're going to have 20 millimeter lugs on this. So, oh, maybe 22 actually. Let's just take a look. Oh, 20 millimeter lugs. The bracelet does taper down to about 15.5 at the clasp, and the clasp itself is 18 millimeters. And let's just get the lug to lug distance, and then we'll get in a little bit closer so that you can see this, a 48 millimeter lug to lug. So the dimensions are great. The dial is really, really nice. That's the reason I picked this one, and it's absolutely fantastic. Nice mirror finish on this. The Jubilee bracelet, quite a bit of articulation on it. It does have the Addiesdive branding on the clasp, and it is a nice milled clasp on that. And you do have a screw down case back with the Addiesdive logo on it. A screwed down crown as well. I believe the water resistance on this is 100 meters. It does have an automatic Miyota 8215 movement in it, and a date window at the 6 o'clock. And so what I'm going to do is just get this camera zoomed in so that you can have a better look at it, and I'll do a full review of this watch in the days to come. Let me just wipe it off here, and let's get up close to this one, and would love to hear your thoughts on this one. I do like the design. I love the 1239 battens for everything else, date window at the 6 o'clock, but the dial is really stealing the show for me here. Probably the weakest part of this watch is this bracelet. It is a little bit jingly. And so that's just my first impressions of it so far. Let's get in closer and just kind of take you around the watch, and you can let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so here we are a little bit closer, and as you can see, this dial really, really nice. The indices are applied I'm pretty sure that the loom on this is going to be, well, it's probably going to be great loom. Usually Addiesdive has a pretty fantastic loom. Sorry about the smudges. So yeah, let me know what you think. The bezel is, fixed stainless steel, mirror polish, matches the side of the case. Oh boy, fingerprints. Again, I apologize. It looks like it has a nice finish on the case here. Is that a little bit scratched up? I don't know. Let's have a look here. Oh no, we're okay. So nice mirror polish finish. Screw down crown with the Addiesdive logo on it. So it's branded quite well. Personally, I like the Addiesdive script that's printed on the dial there. The date window looks decent to me. As you can see, 100 meters of water resistance. Finishing on the bracelet, looks like it has brushing on the outer links and a polish on the center links there. A typical Jubilee style bracelet on this one. And so, yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on this one, guys. I think the star of the show on this one is this dial. Let's just go in even a little bit closer on this and just have a look at that. Look at the light play on that. Kind of looks or appears like a meteorite style dial. This isn't a meteorite dial. Again, it is rocking the Miyota 8215 movement, and I just think this is gorgeous. Love the look of this dial. I like the 12, 3, and 9 on there. Handset looks pretty good. Let's see how much closer we can get into there and have a look at that handset. Looks like it's got a bit of a polished finish on that, or is it brushed? Let's just kind of see if we can get in a little bit closer. And finishing on the handset looks pretty decent. So yeah, there it is, guys. This is, let's just take a look here. I'm going to go back on my computer. Well, you know what? I'll leave the model information and everything in the description below. So guys, thanks for checking out this unboxing. I'm going to do a full review of this watch in the days to come. And again, let me know what you think of it. I think it's pretty fantastic, especially this dial. So thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. God bless, guys. Thanks.